We're doing a fromage fort. That's from my father many, many years ago. Once every couple of months, I go through the refrigerators and I look at the cheese. Look at that cheese here. It's all molded, but I clean up the cheese a little bit. If it's molded, I put that in the food processor.
Nice.
First, we're going to put some garlic, like 4 or 5 cloves of garlic. So all your leftovers, maybe we can
all your
pulse
bits
this
of
a little
cheese.
bit.
Sure, sure.
With all the cheese, some is stuffed. Yeah. So this is a piece of brie, So I leave the crust on that. It's perfectly fine. Put the crust on this.
Yeah, the
this.
soft rinds on brie are delicious.
Yeah, on this one here. So you use your cheese this way. Some of it is soft like that mozzarella, so
nice.
It gives you some creaminess.
I got it.
Yes. A piece of blue cheese. And of course in this, you need a little bit of wine.
And you need a little wine.
Yeah.
A little pepper.
Yeah,
Yeah. I'll just pulse the pepper.
Yeah, that's about it.
That's good.
And this is delicious this way, but you can also take it and put it on toast and put it in the oven so it glazes the top. It's a different taste. Actually, I like it just like this, I'll show you another way of using the leftover cheese.
Using
here.
leftovers, okay.
So this one we cut in small pieces like this. I put the rind here.
Yeah.
And you can,
in a little bowl.
You can break those pieces in there.
I got you.
Break it into pieces.
Okay.
So again, different type of cheese that you have left
Jarlsberg, blue.
Here in this one, differently, we put some raisins in there.
Oh, yeah. And pepitas?
Raisins, some
pumpkin seed, pepita?
Seed or
Yep.
other type, yes. A little bit of honey.
A little honey.
Cracked pepper, a lot of cracked pepper.
Yep. Lime.
A lot of lime in there.
A little lime.
Yeah. Maybe
Mix that together, yeah.
yeah, maybe a little more of honey
A
still.
little more honey.
Yeah. So you mix that, and it's different than the other one. The other one is garlicky, very
Yeah.
salty.
And this one's sweeter.
This one is
Sweet and salty.
with the honey and all that. It's quite good too. It's different.
Sweet and salty. It's naughty and nice.
Toast like that would be very good. Like there.
It really is Christmas for you today because Jacques not only brought a copy of his book, he signed every one of them.